Hello everyone, this is Peter from Skating Magic
Boji.
and today we are gonna show you how to do simple jumps on inline skates. Welcome. Being able to jump is a very important skill in inline skating. If you are able to jump, then you're not going to have any problems going over obstacles of all kinds. Cracks, potholes, speed bumps, small rocks, twigs, puddles, pretty much everything along the way. I promise this is gonna be an epic training session. You're gonna love it. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, I'm inviting you to do so now. Please subscribe. As a beginner inline skater, you want to start with small jumps as this will help boost your confidence around jumping since confidence grows out of success. When it comes to jumping on rollerblades, you need to internalize the simple process involved. Your motion transitions from rolling on the ground to being aerial and finally landing safely. To jump on inline skates, you wanna go up as you normally would without skates. And as you come down, you wanna make a sinking motion so that you can absorb the impact of the jump. Here is what not to do when jumping on inline skates. Don't swing your arms in a circular motion as you go up in the air. It's a natural instinct to move your arms up from the front and swing them well past your shoulders. Don't do that. Doing that with your arms will destabilize the landing and you're highly likely to crash. Instead, you want to keep your arms to the front at all times. How to do really big jumps with inline skates. So start rolling towards the obstacle at speed. If you're not traveling fast enough, you won't be able to generate enough momentum to go over the tall obstacle. Here is a little trick to help you when you're doing a massive jump on rollerblades. As you go up, push both legs to one side at once. Practice, practice, practice. This is the only way to land small and big jumps on inline skates safely every time. If you don't give up and keep trying, you soon start doing really big jumps successfully, making strangers and everyone else think you have superhuman powers. One more thing, wear protective gear before you start landing jumps on inline skates. Wear a helmet, knee pads, wrist guards, and elbow pads. Finally, I suggest getting a qualified inline skating instructor in your area to guide you through this process. By the way, did you like our video on how to do simple jumps on inline skates? If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.